Hi and welcome to the Shelley Studio, and this video is days 11 through 14 for the hashtag ATCAday 2018. I am posting these every day on my Instagram page as I do them, but for the videos I'm combining. For this video, this day, I decided to pull out my watercolors. I'd been doing my acrylics for a while, so I thought it was time to pull out the watercolors, and I just plopped some color on there. I think color plopping is a term coined by Allie Brown. If you don't know who she is, she does art journaling, more journaling than art, but yeah, she's fun to watch if you haven't heard of her. But the ATC a Day challenge is given by the Facebook group Pick a Stick Challenge. They're a really fun group. They have challenges every month, and this one is an additional one. And there aren't any like prompts for the ATCs. They just want you to do something every day to create for the month of June. So that's my goal. Try and get these done each day in June. So if I do, the videos will go into July. It takes me a while to get them together and get it edited. I tried to speed it up and shorten all my sit there and dilly-dally trying to figure out what I'm going to do next. Which happens a lot, actually. See, like right there, I'm staring at it. What does it need? We'll give it some bold lines. That helped a little bit. And like I think I said, these designs are just pulled out of my head. So there's no really reference for this particular made-up plant life. Alright, so I'm pulling out my word stickers and just deciding which ones I'm going to put on there. And I'm just dropping a few at random and deciding which ones fit the best. And I kind of liked the term respect time. Made me think about, not only is time precious, but it can get away from you. It gets away from me when I'm doing art. I can sit at my desk for hours and not even get up. It's terrible. I now have a Fitness Pal, whatever that is, on my Fitbit, on my wrist, and it buzzes once an hour, so I know when I've been there an hour, and I can get up and go do something active. So day 12, right? I decided to stick with the color plopping and some more florals. And I thought this one looked kind of like, I don't know, gave me the idea of cherry blossoms. But I'm not really looking at a flower to draw this, not even a cherry blossom. So forgive my inaccuracy. I am just doodling made up flowers again. And twigs to put them on. And on this one, I don't think I even erase the pencil marks afterwards. I just leave them. I know some people leave them because they like that. I'm not sure I do, but I did leave them on this one for some reason. So tell me, are any of you doing the ATC challenge? Are you in the Pick a Stick group? I think I did this one last year as well, and really had fun with it, so I definitely wanted to do it again this year. Decided I needed some more dynamic lines in there. I'm not sure I like the lines in the end, but they're there. It is what it is. These are just little mini art practices, right? Fun art, not fine art. I think that's my new phrase, fun art, not fine art. Of course, have to have my inky border. And there we go. So that was day 12, right? See, you can see the pencil marks. Maybe I'll go back and erase them. I don't know. Alright, so sorry you didn't see the color plopping on this one. I couldn't find the footage. Maybe it didn't record? I don't know. But it was the same idea as the last couple, only different colors. And this time I am following the colors because they kind of reminded me of petals, and making some crazy weird flower thing. So I decided I needed to give this some depth, so I'm pulling out my the Pentel Pocket Brush Pen. Is that what it's called? Haven't used it in a while. It's time I pulled it out and gave it some use. The brush pen takes a lot of practice to get super control. I don't have great control, but you can't tell on this project. Because I've just made up shapes, right? Alright, and that ink is permanent when completely dry, but it's still a little bit wet, so I could pull a little bit of that dark and create some shading for my weird petals. There we go, just kind of simple. Throwing out some words again. Sometimes I pull them out and I'm like, what am I going to use? Yeah, we'll go with that one. And while white would have looked good on there, I decided that I wanted to tint it. So we're going to tint it yellow. And that's the same yellow I used for the watercolor, but it's different paper, so it absorbs at a different rate, and it looks a lot more pastel. That's okay. Once I put the line around it, I think it looks okay. And ink my borders. There we go. What day is that? 13? Lucky number 13. Okay, so this one is day 14. and more color plopping, because I wanna. And this is just some clean off paper from a jelly printing session. Pretty sure that's what that is. And just tearing little shapes out of it. And again with the floral idea. But you know, that's me. When in doubt, draw flowers. Or do flowers. Or butterflies or dragonflies. Ooh, I've done butterflies. I haven't done a dragonfly yet. Alright, so we're going to turn that into a rose. Hopefully. It'll look like flowers. And those are supposed to look like rosebuds. Again, just a real simple project. When you're doing one of these every single day, you have to manage your time, right? So it's got to be quick sometimes. So I inked the edges. I almost forgot to put a phrase on it. Pull out the bag, shaking them up, trying to mix them up. And we're gonna go with intentional? Yeah, intentional. This funky piece of art was intentional. So that was day 14. Getting close to being halfway done. I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like. Feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.